If you want to change your display name in Claude AI, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your name in just a few seconds. This is helpful if you want your account to show the correct full name, or if you simply want to keep your profile information up to date. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when new how-to videos go live. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Claude account. Once you're signed in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile or account icon. This is where Claude keeps your account options and settings. After that, from the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open the main settings panel for your Claude account. Inside Settings, look for the General tab and click on it. The General section is where Claude stores basic profile information, including your name. Now find the field labeled Full Name. This is the name that appears on your account, so click inside the box and make whatever edits you want. You can correct spelling, update your display name, or change it to the name you prefer. Once you've finished making changes, be sure to click Save Changes. That's the final step, and it makes sure your new name is applied to your Claude account. And that's it. You've now changed your display name in Claude AI. It's a very simple process once you know where to look, and now you can update it anytime you need to. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.